Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Yolissa Hair. I did go ahead and glue this unit down, so it was secured with some glue. I love the results. I love the melt. It's giving everything I didn't know I wanted, but I definitely needed. And this hair is absolutely stunning. The waves are everything. It's giving vacation. At the end of the month, I'm supposed to be going down to Miami, and I feel like this is the wig I'm gonna wear, because let me tell you something, this wig is giving Miami. Okay, it's giving Miami, but it's definitely giving vacation vibes. I just love me some waves, like so gorgeous. So the specs of this hair is actually a 24-inch loose wave wig. It is in 200 density, so it is super duper full, and it is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. So you know the vibes. Like this wig is giving leave out. Okay, she's giving leave out. So I'm so here for this. I'm gonna stop chit-chatting. I love chatting with you guys just now. The hair is really nice and soft. So here for it. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase if you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would honestly recommend because this hair is amazing, so gorgeous. Minimum shedding, minimum tangling. All you gotta do is just wet it, detangle, and you're out the door. You don't even have to dry it. It air dries by itself, and it's gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, let's jump into the tutorial so I could show you guys how to get your hair looking like this.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo, hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Stallion, it ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, let it work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, let it work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. He used to be flexing on you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Any night, to the work my way, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. In the morning or late, to the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. True house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night, to the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work my way.
You guys, this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like when it's 100% dried down. I made sure I waited. I definitely did air dry this. You guys didn't see me use a diffuser this time around, but this is just what the hair is looking like. It is from Yolissa Hair, and they decided to send me their loose wave wig in a 13x4 HD frontal lace wig unit, and it is in 24 inches. So it is just a bit of the hair left out the frame. Like, it is about at my waist, and I'm loving this because it's giving 26. Let me tell you something. I love when like your 24-inch gives longer, because it's like, yes, the amount of money I paid for this is really affordable, and I pretty much just get a deal. Like, I love when loose textured hair, or like, you know, like wavy, this type of wave is just long. I love a nice little side part. Like, it just gives off vibes, vacation vibes, just vibes, period. So I'm really like rocking with this hair right now. So I'm loving it. I don't have anything negative to say. In terms of detangling, it was pretty easy to do. Air drying, all I had to do was just sit there and allow the hair to air dry. The texture is amazing. The hair is really nice and soft. All I have to do is just wet it and keep it hydrated by wetting it with conditioner and water, that type of solution, and this hair is always gonna look like this, feel like this. I just love it. Yolissa never disappoints. They always come through with the good wigs, the good curls, the good waves, and this loose wave is everything. So thank you so much to Yolissa for sending me this gorgeous wig. And if you would like to purchase, links will be in the description box for you to go ahead and do so. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Yolissa for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am absolutely in love. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.
No more damages now. Tell me what you need.